easy breakfast recipe. In today's video, we are going to make an egg recipe, which is 1-pan egg toast. So this egg recipe with egg sandwich recipe is very delicious and is very easy. If you're interested in this recipe, come along with me. Welcome to Olayemi cooking channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. For all the new subscribers, thanks so much for being supportive of my channel. I aim to give you easy and delicious recipe to you guys. So welcome to my channel. Let's start making our 1-pot egg sandwich. This recipe is very easy and is very delicious. It's an egg recipe that you can even use with simple ingredients, and it's a 5 minutes breakfast meal. So this recipe is very easy to prepare and is a very easy egg sandwich hack. So this recipe, I'm going to show you along how to make this simple and easy breakfast recipe on a go. So let's dive into it. So these are the ingredients we are going to be needing for our 1-pan egg toast. We are going to be needing eggs, and as well we are going to be needing sandwich bread or normal regular white bread. You can as well use wheat bread. Whichever bread you feel like using for your 1-pan toast is fine. So we are going to be needing sandwich cheese as well. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get updated of my new recipe. So as I said, we are also going to be needing a sandwich cheese as well for our 1-pan egg toast. So let's just dive into our sandwich recipe, which is egg sandwich recipe. I'm going to be needing 2 eggs to prepare this our sandwich recipe. So I'm going to crack 2 eggs in a bowl, then I'm going to mix it. But before that, if you've not liked this video, please hit the like button on this video to encourage me to do more videos. Actually, since I learned this egg sandwich toast or egg sandwich 1-pan egg toast, I find it very easy to make my egg sandwich, egg toast. It's very easy for me to prepare and it's very fast. So this egg toast is very easy. You enjoy making it and it's very easy hack. So at this stage, I'm going to add some pinch of salt. You can just skip it because you are using cheese, because sometimes cheese makes it taste too salty. So just a little pinch of salt. Then you can as well add black pepper to it, but as well I'm not going to add black pepper to my egg. So I'm just going to give it a nice mix. Then we'll go straight to the pan to start making our 1-pan egg toast. You can enjoy this breakfast recipe. It's the best egg sandwich recipe ever. So in a pan, I'm going to add cooking oil into the pan. So I just allow it to brown the edges of the pan. So I'm going to go ahead and allow this pan to eat a little bit then before adding our egg. And this is an easy egg recipe and it's a perfect breakfast recipe, and it's very simple to make at any time you want to make breakfast. It's just a 5 minutes breakfast recipe and it's perfect on the go. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get updated of my new recipe. Olayemi aim to give you easy recipe as simple as I can to you guys. Simple and delicious recipe to you guys. So if you are aiming to have a simple and delicious recipe, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button on this video and the bell icon so you get updated of my next recipe. And as well, do not forget to like this video. Let's just go ahead and add our egg. The pan is hot and is ready for our egg, so I'm going to add the egg. So I'm going to go ahead and add my bread. You can as well make this an egg sandwich, the best egg salad sandwich recipe ever. You can as well add salad into your egg to make it a perfect egg salad sandwich. So at this stage, we are going to allow our egg to cook, our omelette to cook for some couple of minutes before flipping our sandwich toast to the other side as well. You can as well add vegetables to it. So at this stage, I'm going to flip it to the other side. While flipping it, you can as well fold your egg inside your bread, or you can as well just leave it like that. Sometimes I just decided to fold it, I just feel like leaving it, so I'm just going to fold one side of it and leave the other side as well. If you want it to be more unique and more beautiful, you can fold it to both sides. I'll just fold one side and leave the other side. Sometimes the thing is not sometimes stubborn, it doesn't flip the way you want it, so I normally leave it like that, and after we are going to eat everything is going to go back to our mouth. So let's just flip it to the other side and allow our bread to toast as well. In the next 1 minute, I'm going to flip the I'm going to go ahead and add my sandwich cheese as well. So let's just go ahead and add our cheese. You can as well use 2 slices of cheese, or you can as well use 1 slice of cheese. So I will be using 2 slices of cheese in this 1 pound sandwich. You can as well add some vegetables like diced onions, bell pepper, and even you can as well add carrots. Whichever vegetables you like in adding to your sandwich toast is perfect and is okay. So I'm going to share another recipe with you guys on 1 pound egg sandwich toast that you add your vegetables. I'm going to share you how to make that as well. Do not forget to stay connected to my channel so you get updated of that next video. So I'm going to go ahead and fold my egg toast together so to make it a perfect sandwich recipe. So this is it, and I'm going to allow you to cook in both sides for less than a minute. I can continue flipping both sides so it will just toast. And remember to put your heat in a low flame and let your toast be cooked, and so your cheese will be a little bit cooked the way you want it to look like. So this is it, and this is the outcome. It's ready. Let's put it in a plate. So this is how to make egg salad recipe. This is how to make your egg sandwich recipe. So it's very easy and it's perfect. So let me show you inside the 1 pound egg sandwich how it looks like. So I'm just going to give it a cut so you see how it looks like. You can see how inside looks. So thanks so much for watching this my 1 pound egg sandwich toast. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on this channel so you get updated of my next delicious recipe. Breakfast recipe, as I said, is a perfect breakfast recipe, and thanks for watching my 1 pound breakfast recipe. And don't forget to watch this my recipe, my carrot pizza, and my smoothie recipe. I have so many smoothie recipe. I guess I will see you guys in my next recipe. Please be safe out there, and thanks for watching.